Welcome to our top 5 best facial devices of 2026, designed to transform your skin with anti-aging, lifting, and tightening results. You can find all the product links in the video description and pinned comment. Introducing the Fine Look Microcurrent Facial Device, a professional-grade at-home tool for sculpting, toning, and tightening your skin. Using advanced microcurrent technology, it gently stimulates facial muscles to improve circulation, reduce puffiness, and enhance skin firmness. The 6-point precision treatment head covers more surface area than traditional devices, targeting under eyes, jawline, and smile lines for effective face sculpting. With 2 modes and 3 intensity levels, you can customize your routine from gentle depuffing to deeper muscle activation. Its lightweight, cordless design makes it perfect for daily use at home or on the go, with a rechargeable battery included. Now available on Amazon for $249.99 with a 22. Introducing the Fine Look Microcurrent Facial Device, a professional-grade at-home tool for sculpting, toning, and tightening your skin. Using advanced microcurrent technology, it gently stimulates facial muscles to improve circulation, reduce puffiness, and enhance skin firmness. The 6-point precision treatment head covers more surface area than traditional devices, targeting under eyes, jawline, and smile lines for effective face sculpting. With 2 modes and 3 intensity levels, you can customize your routine from gentle depuffing to deeper muscle activation. Its lightweight, cordless design makes it perfect for daily use at home or on the go, with a rechargeable battery included. Now available on Amazon for $249.99 with a 22. Introducing the ZDeer LED Red Light Therapy Facial and Neck Massager, a multifunctional skincare device designed to bring a relaxing, spa-like experience into your daily beauty routine. This advanced tool features an 8-light red LED system that delivers consistent, gentle illumination to awaken dull skin and helps support a smoother, more radiant appearance over time, ideal for facial care, contouring, and neck relaxation. Enjoy a customizable home spa experience with 3 adjustable heat levels, 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, 35 to 50 degrees Celsius, and 3 gentle vibration settings, providing heat therapy and soothing massage that help relax facial tension and support absorption of serums or creams. The ergonomic contour design fits naturally along the curves of the face and neck for smooth gliding and comfortable use, making it easy to enjoy daily skincare at home or while traveling. Lightweight and rechargeable with a Type-C charging port, this device offers convenience and portability for consistent use. Now available on Amazon at a special price of $42.74 with a 10% discount, giving you accessible professional-style skincare benefits at a great value. Uplift 5 Pulsating Facial Lift, a revolutionary 5-minute age reversal device designed to contour and improve facial structures while tightening and toning your skin. This advanced device uses pulsating technology to stimulate facial muscles, helping reduce sagging, refine contours, and enhance overall skin firmness in just minutes a day. Its ergonomic design fits naturally along the curves of your face, allowing precise targeting of the cheeks, jawline, and under-eye areas for maximum effectiveness. With regular use, the Uplift 5 supports a more lifted, youthful, and radiant appearance, helping restore natural facial definition. Available now on Amazon for US $349 with the option to pay in flexible installments, making professional-level facial care more accessible than ever. Introducing the Glow 24K Red Light for Face and Neck Beauty Device, a versatile 3-in-1 tool that revitalizes your skin with professional-style treatment at home. This device combines LED red light therapy, gentle vibration massage, and warming heat to help improve skin tone, support circulation, and reduce the look of fine lines and tension. Designed to contour both face and neck, it fits comfortably in your hand and glides smoothly over cheeks, jawline, and neckline for comprehensive care in one tool. The multifunctional design supports enhanced skincare results, helping you relax facial muscles while promoting a more lifted, radiant look. Right now on Amazon, this beauty device is available for US $79.99, and you can choose to pay in flexible installments, making advanced skincare easy and affordable. Elevate your daily routine with targeted rejuvenation for smoother, firmer, and more youthful-looking skin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the description and pinned comment for all the links. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the best beauty tips and reviews. See you in the next video.